In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a music bot to your Discord server in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by making your server much more lively with some tunes. First things first, you need to head over to Discord. Open your Discord app or access it through your favorite web browser. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be greeted by your familiar server list. Now that you're in Discord, locate the server where you want to add the music bot. Click the little arrow next to your server's name. This will expose a drop-down menu with various options for server settings. Within the drop-down menu, one of the options you'll see is the app directory. Give this a click as it will lead you to a library of apps and bots available for your server. In the app directory, you'll find a search bar. This is your friend today. Type in the name of the music bot you'd like to add. For this example, let's use Greenbot. Once you've typed it in, scan through the results and click on it to learn more about this bot. Simply click on Greenbot to proceed. You'll be taken to a page with more details about the bot. This includes its features, commands, and how it could enhance your server's experience. Now, look for the button that says Add App or something similar. Click on that, and now you'll be prompted to select the desired server where you'd like the bot to be active. Make sure you choose the correct server from the drop-down list, as you might have multiple servers under your account. Once you've selected your server, you'll see the Continue button. Click on it to progress further in this quick setup process. Next, you'll want to review the permissions Greenbot requires. These permissions are crucial for the bot to function properly. If everything looks good to you, click Authorize. Discord might prompt a quick CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a robot, which is just a click away from being completed. At this point, Greenbot is added to your server, and you're ready to start playing music. To use the bot, join a voice channel. In one of the text channels on your server, simply type commands like play, followed by the name of the song you want to hear. And there you have it. You've successfully added a music bot to your Discord server. This means your virtual gatherings can now be accompanied by a great soundtrack, making them even more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and happy listening.